Hello traders, good morning. Today is the last trading day of the month, 30th of November. What a blessing day, guys. Amazing trade. Well, most of the euro was down. Euro USD bank amazing profit, and now Euro Yen we had amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you guys 4 hour chart, pretty standard and straightforward. If you haven't seen my previous analysis, guys, you will find those video previous analysis review in my YouTube channel. We've been short since market respected here, and every day we have really enjoyed all the short really. Even today, as explained to my trader, if you look at the previous price action, we always pay attention to 4 hour, and let me explain to you guys. And if you want to see those explanation real time, most welcome, join our going community. Look at this candlestick pattern, inside candle pattern, and we explain my trade. If the market is going to break this previous low, take a short trade here and keep taking a pullback. And now how I analyze the market in intraday, and that's the key important thing, is if you look ahead this morning, that was the beautiful sideways market, pretty standard and straightforward. Just before London Open, as you can see here, market nicely broken. Beautiful. Bank amazing profit. I said to my trader, consider banking some profit and look for another pullback. And after banking this profit, we already explained to my trader, look for another pullback. Pretty standard. You can see any pullback would consider high probability trade. I said to my trader, bank some profit. You can see a beautiful another pullback is performed exactly at this level, as you can see here. Market nicely developed, beautiful. As soon as the market hit to the profit target fifth channel, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to bank amazing profit, or at least move your stop loss at the break even. So guys, you want to see those analyses in real time? Don't delay, join our fast growing trader community today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.